Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I am going to do an updated what's in my bag. So this is the bag that I've been carrying quite a lot. This is a Charles & Keith bag. It's a medium-sized bag, and I remember showing this in my Singapore haul, and this is what it looks like. It has this suede flap, a golden lock, and then you just open it. This is everything in the bag. I like carrying bags that are of this size because anything more than this, I feel like I am carrying things that I don't need. I'm just dumping things and it just becomes so heavy, and carrying around a bag that is of this size makes me much more streamlined about the things that I'm carrying. So let's just get started. The first thing that is in here is my wallet. Now this is a wallet that I've been using for so long now. I got this from Forever 21. It is really messy and dirty in here, and I just have like 2 cards and my PAN card for identification, and that's all. Then I also have my phone charger. My phone is usually not in my bag. I'm usually holding my phone or it's in my pocket, so the charger is usually inside. Then the one thing that I do not leave the house without is my earphones. So these are the AirPods from Apple. I really like the case. It is very travel friendly and it charges your earphones at the same time. This is one of the best purchases I have ever made. It's so easy for me to edit on the go, to listen to music on the go, and to like take calls on the go. So I make sure that I never leave the house without my AirPods. Next, I can see a perfume that I have in here. This is the travel-sized version of the Modern Muse original. This is by Estee Lauder. So if you have seen my top 5 perfume video, then you know that I love the Estee Lauder Modern Muse Nuit. But this is the original formula. It's sweeter than the Nuit. I would prefer that much more, but this is equally nice. Next, I have a hand cream. This is from Victoria's Secret. This is their pink hand cream in acai with shea butter. This smells so good. It's very lightweight, and this was a gift from Shrija. So if you're watching, hi, thank you so much for this. I use it quite a lot. Then I have my lens solution. So this is the Bausch & Lomb Bio True Multi-Purpose Solution. So I like to carry this because I wear lenses, and sometimes my eyes get dry, or if my lens is irritating me, I like to clean them. So I always make sure that I have this in my bag. Then I have a powder. This is a Maybelline powder. This is the white super fresh one. It's really inexpensive, and this is what it looks like. So I'm just carrying that around. Then I also have my Bobbi Brown foundation brush in here. I like to use this for everything. Then I see a lipstick. I can't believe there's just one lipstick in this bag. That usually never happens. But this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick in the shade Ashton. So I swatched this in my top 10 nude lipstick video, and I fell in love with it all over again. So I started using this again. So I put it in my bag. Then I have a lip balm. This is from Kiehl's. This is their Facial Fuel No Shine Moisturizing Lip Balm. I just randomly threw this. It's nice. Not one of my favorites, but it's not bad. Then I also have a foundation. This is the MAC Pro Longwear Foundation. I had actually recently gone to Delhi, and which is when I had put this foundation in my bag. I don't usually roam around with a foundation, but I had gone there for an event, so I knew I was going to take like pictures, and I might have needed like retouching, which I did not, because this foundation is so long lasting. This is actually a waterproof, sweat-proof, humidity-proof foundation from MAC, and I wore this at 5 in the morning, and I still had it on at like what time did I get back? Like 10 in the evening. I still had this foundation on and I did not need a touch up at all. So if you guys are looking for a sweat proof, waterproof foundation, then you can check this out. I wear the shade NC42. Next, I have my house keys and my car key all assembled into this keychain, which used to be the Deathly Hallows, but the ring kind of broke. So yeah, I'm just like going with it. Then I have a couple of like loose hair ties. I always carry like extra hair ties just in case someone needs it or I need it. And then I have a random 500 rupee note shoved in there. I have my Aadhaar card in there. Oh my god, don't look at the picture. I look so hideous in my Aadhaar card picture. It's not even funny. Next, I have one of my favorite things at the moment. I have used this so much. This is from Bobbi Brown and this is their Pot Rouge for lips and cheek in the shade Blushed Rose. Oh my god, this thing is so pretty, and I use this as a lip balm actually, and it just has this really nice blush tone pink color, so it just gives a little bit of color and it looks so stunning on the cheeks as well. If you look at it, you can tell how much I have used this already. I just recently got it and I am inseparable. I love this. And then I have a random SD card. This is for September. You never know when I will run out of space in my memory card, especially with my vlog camera. So I just carry one extra along. And then I have some random 5 rupee change. I have a boarding pass, I think. This is the Bombay Delhi boarding pass. I just got back from Delhi. And there's one more loose hair tie. And I have a 5 cent. This is a Singapore dollar, I think. Yep, I've got a random 5 cent Singapore dollar. And that's all of the contents of my bag. It's completely empty and that's it. That's everything that I like to carry in my bag. Even though the bag is tiny, it fits in quite a lot of stuff, and I think it's missing gum because I just got done with one packet and I need to refill my bag with the chewing gum because that's something that I always carry along with me. And yeah, that's all that I have in my bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and for all the love for September. If you guys haven't subscribed, then please do so. You can also hit on the bell icon so that you are notified every time I put up a new video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!